Hi, hello, namaskara. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and share it with your family and friends. For July 4th, we have a special recipe for you guys and some fun celebrations planned. So without much further ado, let's get started. So let me introduce you guys to my daughter Avani. Here she is.
Happy Independence Day!
So Avani, what are you going to show us today?
So today we're making Tricolor Independence Day macaroon. Independence Day is the day when America got freedom from Britain. That was on July 4th, 1776. And did you know that 3 presidents died on July 4th but of different years? And one president was born on July 4th.
Now, can you tell us about this tricolor July 4th macaroon?
Macaroons are 2 cookies with a buttercream / ganache in between them. So what's special about this tricolor one? One cookie is going to be red and one cookie is going to be blue, and the middle ganache is going to be white.
Wow, that is really an awesome idea. Now, what is the history about this macaroon?
So it's popularly known that macaroons are originated in France, but the reality is that the original macaroon was in Italy.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
We all know that as a French dessert, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's one of the most popular sweets in France. There are 2 parts to a macaroon, the cookie part and the ganache part. For the cookie part, we'll need 3/4 a cup of almond flour, 1 cup of confectioner sugar, which is also called powdered sugar, 1/4 a cup of granulated sugar, 2 egg whites, because you'll need to beat the egg whites, so you don't really need the egg yolks. And then 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then for the colors, we'll need blue gel food coloring and red gel food coloring. For the ganache, which is the part in between the 2 cookies, we'll need 3/4 a cup plus 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, also called confectioner sugar, and then 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 a cup, which is equivalent to 4 tablespoons of butter, and then 1 teaspoon of milk. So first I'm going to mix the almond flour. And then I'm going to mix the powdered sugar. Okay. Next, I'm going to separate the egg yolks and the egg whites.
I'm so proud of you.
And that's it. I've separated the egg yolks and the egg whites. So now we have to beat the egg whites until it's like kind of foamy. Right now I have an electric mixer, and this is a perfect time to ask your parents for a professional looking stand mixer. Can I get a stand mixer?
What? Sure.
Thanks. Right now I'm going to pour it in. I'm going to set my speed to medium. And as you can see, I'm beating it. So as you can see, it's a bit foamed up. So I'm going to add my granulated sugar. And I'm going to continue mixing it. And now I'm going to add the vanilla extract. The egg whites and granulated sugar and vanilla extract mix is done. I'm going to pour this powdered sugar and almond flour mix into the egg whites. I'm mixing the almond flour mixture and the egg white mixture. And it has to be a bit of a lava texture. It has to be kind of hard, but then it has to be like smooth. It's almost done. I just have to fold in a little bit more sugar. Okay, I think it's done.
Done, okay.
So now you're going to use your food coloring.
So one is red, the other one is blue, correct?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
So I'm going to add red.
How many drops?
I'm going to start with 1 just to see how it is. As you can see, it's a bit pinkish, but we're going to keep mixing it. There we go. So with the other half of the batter, we're going to add the blue gel food coloring. So as I did for the red, I'm going to start with 1 drop.
Okay.
There we go. Yeah, as you can see, it's turning blue a little faster than the red one.
Yeah.
But it's a bit tealish. So I'm going to add some more blue, like half a drop more.
Okay.
So far, both of these have required 1.5 drops of gel food coloring.
Okay.
We have the red batter and the blue batter. We will use these for the cookie part. We put parchment paper on our pan. So usually we would use a piping bag to pipe the batter onto the pan. But if you don't have a piping bag, then don't worry about it. Here's a simple trick that uses gallon bags as a piping bag. So I have a mug right here. I'm going to put this end in the mug. So I'm just going to do this and just pour this in here. I've put the batter in 2 gallon bags, and I'm going to use this as my piping bag.
So you have blue and then you have red.
I'm going to cut just a little bit off, okay? Just a bit. Okay, so now I'm going to pipe it in. So as you can see, I'm piping in circles. See, I piped the blue and I'm doing 12. So now I'm going to pipe the red, okay? See, I piped it. So now I'm going to tap it 3 times on each side. We tapped it so it can be even on each side, so it'll prevent cracks.
Okay. So tell me, Avani, why did you choose blue and red?
Because of Independence Day. So red and blue complement the white ganache. So I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes and then we're going to put it in the oven. It's been 30 minutes. So I'm preheating my oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. So the oven is ready. Put this in. You have to put it for 10 minutes and rotate in between. There we go. I put it for 5 minutes and we'll be back in 5 minutes to rotate it. It's 5, 3, 2, 1. As you can see, it's risen.
Wow.
Rotate it. Looks really good, right?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm going to put it in. 5
minutes?
minutes. As you can see, it's risen. So now we're going to take it out of the oven. Wow, it smells very good out of the oven.
Oh my God. Very nice.
They're fresh out of the oven. In 3 minutes, I'm going to use a spatula and try to take them off and see if it worked. I let it cool for 5 minutes, so now I'm going to see if it worked. Oh, it worked. This one's moving. There you have it. So I'm going to just look at the bottom.
Ooh. Look at that.
They're very soft. Hi, so now we're going to make the ganache. This is my dad.
Hello.
Are you ready to help me?
Let's see what you got.
So while we're waiting for the cookies to cool down, we're going to make the ganache. So we're going to start by creaming the butter. If you don't know what that means, it's basically whisking it until it's like smooth, okay? I'm going to start whisking it. So the butter is now creamed. It's done. Can you please add the powdered sugar?
Okay.
Mix half of it in. Can you add some more, please?
All of it?
Yes.
All right.
So now we're going to add in the vanilla extract.
Okay,
Pour that in.
right.
So now can you add the milk?
Sure. How long you have to fold?
It has to be a texture. It's kind of lumpy, but I have to keep folding it because it'll just come together.
Okay.
See, as you can see, it's a bit hard, but that's good. You don't want it to be bursting out of your macaroon. You want it to just hold.
Is that how?
Yes.
Okay. Am I folding it right?
Yes, you are.
Oops. I gotta be nice and be easy on this one. Man. Is this fine?
Yes.
I just have to get rid of all those powder and convert those powder.
Yeah, you have to mix it in.
Mix it in. Okay.
Kind of has to have the consistency of cream cheese.
Okay. There you go. I'm still splattering all over here.
Yep.
That's how I do it. Here it is.
Okay.
It looks yummy.
As you can see, it's done. It's kind of like cream cheese, see? So now I'm going to do the piping bag technique that I did previously for the macaroon cookies. I have my ganache frosting, and as you can see, it's kind of like cheesecake. Like soft, but then it holds its shape.
Okay.
Yep, and so like we're going to put it on one cookie, and then we're going to sandwich it, the other cookie on top. And I'm going to frost it.
Okay. So let's take this. I'm placing it right.
Yes. Are you guys ready for the big reveal? Dun dun dun! So I'm gonna give this to my dad, our taste expert in our house. So here.
Fantastic. So this is your tricolor macaroon. Huh? These are my favorite. Let's see. Wow. It's soft on the top, right? So let me turn it out. Look at that. It's really soft. So I see the cream cheese inside.
It's not cream cheese though.
What is it?
It's a vanilla ganache.
Oh, vanilla ganache. Okay. You all have to make this. It's pretty good. Amazing. This is the best macaroons as always.
To subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it with your family and friends. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.